Hi, I'm Nate from Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your battery backup sump pump alarm if it ever is going off. 9 times out of 10, when the alarm goes off, it could just mean that there's a power outage of some sort, but it also could lead to a more serious situation, like your main pump has failed or even your battery backup pump has failed. And I can show you exactly how to reset that alarm to see if there is an actual issue with your system. If your alarm is going off, what you want to do is you're going to want to hit this red button right here. Once you hit that button, the pump will activate. If everything goes back and you have these two green lights here, then you're good to go. It was just a power outage. If we have any red lights indicating here, that means that there is an actual issue. And at that point, I recommend calling a professional.